I choose solitude over people. I think the Sigma naturally gravitates towards the quiet. I think the Sigma is always alone, even when he is surrounded by people. The Sigma is mysterious. The Sigma never gives away his hand. The Sigma is watchful. Another word that I like to use to describe the Sigma male is the watcher. We are the watchers, the observers of human behavior. I feel like an alien in a planet full of humans, and I'm just standing there watching. That's what it feels like to be a Sigma. Also, another thing about the Sigma that I notice, because I notice it in myself, and therefore I can tell you its attributes because I know what I am and who I am. The Sigma, why it's so difficult to have a relationship with a Sigma, is the Sigma will not communicate his emotions to you. He will always seem distant because that's exactly what he is. The Sigma is always in deep thought. That's something people really need to understand about the Sigma. The Sigma is always watching, observing, processing, and thinking. And they're usually doing it very quietly, and you won't even notice the Sigma. The Sigma is stealthy in social environments. You won't even know they're there. The sad part for other people who get involved with a Sigma male is it's really alluring to a lot of females because they are mysterious. But I think what a lot of women make the mistake of doing is thinking that they're going to be able to get into the Sigma male's mind. And what I'm here to tell you is that you'll never get into the mind of a Sigma male. You'll never get into the mind of a Sigma male. It would be like going into a black hole, because and once you go into a black hole, you're never going to be able to figure out what the heck is going on. So don't even try. The Sigma male will likely, in older age, become more reclusive and isolationist. He will seek out the quiet of nature over a celebration or party with others. The other big attribute to the Sigma male is that we are incredibly self-reliant. We don't need anybody else to help us. We are totally fine on our own. I'm at the crossroads. I have gone that way, I've gone that way, and I've gone that way, but I have not gone that way. So let's go that way. And there's no footprints. All right, to continue with the values of the Sigma. So we always talk about the alphas and the betas. And there's a few other in there as well. I'll list them on the video. All right, well, let's just focus right now on what it is like to be a Sigma. So the Sigma is the lone wolf, or what I like to call the quiet observer. So I think that's really beautiful, actually. The quiet observer. I was always the quiet kid in school. I never had a problem meeting girls, but here's the problem with trying to have a relationship with a Sigma male. The women will try and try and try to get close to him, but it is going to be like a hamster wheel for you, because as you spin and spin and spin, you're getting nowhere, because he knows himself so well that he doesn't need anything else but his own thoughts. That's the beauty of being a Sigma, is that you are at peace with yourself. It's kind of one of the only male personality traits where I see complete, quiet confidence. That's another thing you'll notice about the Sigma, is the quiet confidence he carries as he goes about his day. Now, another thing that the Sigma does is pretend to be excited about what you're excited about. But it's only for your value. It's only for your feelings. The Sigma doesn't care about any of it. The Sigma doesn't care about wealth. The Sigma doesn't care about social stratus or social hierarchy, because the Sigma isn't in the hierarchy. The Sigma doesn't want to have anything to do with really anything, because he knows that there's nothing more than himself and nature, and that's it. It's the way I like to use imagery to kind of portray a thought, and the image of the Sigma has always been, in my mind, a man walking alone in the desert, walking towards the sunset, all alone, but totally at peace with everything that's around him. And don't try to ask a Sigma how he's feeling. You'll likely not get the right answer.